What's up, guys? Doing a little Link Wizard training today. I'm going to show you the differences between Link Wizard and Bitly, why I think Link Wizard is a better platform, and how you can get access to this software for an incredible deal. Go ahead and watch this video. Like it if you get any value. If you want to see future videos like this, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell, and you'll be notified as soon as those release. Appreciate you guys. And we'll jump right in. There's a few reasons why you need to switch from Bitly to Link Wizard. I'll just show you a couple here. So here's Bitly, right? It does have similar features, but it's got some limitations too that you're going to want to avoid. So you can track your link clicks and all that. You can see all that data here, how many clicks you're getting for each link. But here's kind of the problem. What happens if I want to edit this link? So freefunnelmastery.com/IG, that was my link, right? What happens if I put that in right now? Takes me to this page. So that's what a URL shortener does. It takes this and makes it into this. This helps for affiliates and stuff like that. But basically, what if I switch this domain? What if I change from freefunnelmastery.com to another one of my domains like tryjohnson.com? What's going to happen is this link's just going to be broken. So anywhere I've used this link on the internet, it's now trash. I can't go in and change that link. It's just going to be a broken link. So that's one problem that you'll see with Bitly, is you're probably promoting these Bitly links all over on the internet. You're email marketing with them. You're posting YouTube videos. You're sending them to people in their inbox. You put them on your social media profiles. So anytime you have a problem with the domain or your original link, it's just going to be broken. Now, if I go into Link Wizard, that's one problem that's going to get solved. You can see here, this is my destination link. So that would be just like this. This is my short link right here. So I can copy this, paste it, and boom. It's going to take me there. But the cool thing is I can come in here later and edit this link. So this is my destination link. Now I ran into this issue. So I was using tryjohnson.com for this funnel. I actually moved it to another platform and used a subdomain. So what happened was all my links for a while that I had previously used with Link Wizard were broken, because I had to switch this to a subdomain, which was this full domain here. But the problem was solved really quick. All I had to do was come back in, edit my link with the new destination URL, update it, and that fixed the issue. That not only fixed the issue going forward, but all the links I had out there on the internet were then fixed. With one simple switch, in Bitly, you're forever stuck with this URL. So you'd have to create a new URL, go update it everywhere it is on the internet. Hopefully you're not losing clicks and sales during that time while people are going to a broken link. And at some point you're going to run into that issue. Another powerful feature of Link Wizard is you can add your Facebook pixel right to the link. So you're gathering data where Bitly you're not. You can't add a Facebook pixel to Bitly. I can completely customize the look of my links on social media with Link Wizard. I just add an image here. It shows me a little preview. I add the title and the description. Completely customize it. And just like anything, later I can come in here and edit it if I want. I'm tracking stats just like Bitly would, but I actually get more data from Link Wizard. So with Link Wizard, I can set up conversion info. So I can actually track how many sales I get and how many leads I get from each link. It's just a short little code you place on the website. And then on your next step, you'd place another little short code. And it's going to track those conversions and sales for you. So you know how many clicks you're getting. The only reason the amount of clicks matters is if you know how many sales and conversions you're getting from those clicks. So if you're using Bitly just to track clicks, that's just a waste of time. Not only that, every time I see a Bitly link, I just know you're not building your own brand. So every time I see a Bitly link, you're building Bitly's brand. With Link Wizard, you can set up a custom domain. And you can see here, this is my short link, go.tryjohnson.com. So every time you see my short links using Link Wizard, I'm building my own brand instead of Bitly's. So that's just a few reasons you need to switch. I mean, obviously, you're probably getting Bitly for free. But in the long run, you're just wasting money. You're wasting time by using Bitly. So I'm going to make you an offer. Go ahead and check it out below. If you're interested, I'm going to give you Link Wizard for a one-time deal. You can create file links. So check this out. You get 500 megabytes. You can upload a file. And you can even password protect it. So this is a file link. You can see it's password protected. I can enter the password here, submit it, and now that file is going to download. That's an option. You don't have to password protect them, but it is an option. So Bitly's not doing that. I can add rotating links. So this would be like if you're a group owner and you wanted to split commissions with other group owners, you could add all your affiliate links in there. So, that would be a fair way to split the commissions. Because every time someone clicks one link, the next time it's going to rotate to the next link inside of that link, if that makes sense. You can do group links, opt-in links. So if you need to collect data in just an easy way, use an opt-in link. And you can connect all your social profiles right from your social profile, kind of like a Linktree style link. Now, this is supported by Tier 5, so it's going to have support if you have any questions. And it's just overall a way better platform than Bitly is. You can see here you can add feature requests. You can get live support right here if I click this button. We got training videos. You can learn how to use each link type. Get up and running super quick. Connect with Zapier. Get your data. Shoot it over to other places. All that fun stuff. So if you want to quit Bitly and start looking like an actual marketer instead of a beginner, I suggest go ahead and grabbing Link Wizard. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.